Cutting wood like this, you won't believe your eyes. Have you ever been truly shocked by a wood cutting video? This clip will completely change the way you think about carpentry. From unbeatable advantages to deadly drawbacks, everything will be exposed raw in just 3 short minutes. Lightning fast cuts, time-saving or inviting disaster. Razor-sharp edges, smooth as silk or a finger-chopping nightmare. Top-tier technology, or just a dangerous scam. If you don't want to be the next victim, watch now. Smash that like button if you're amazed, share to warn your friends, and subscribe plus hit the bell so you won't miss the next horrifying woodcutting moment. Comment below, would you dare to try this technique? Or will you run for your life after watching? Wood cutting and debarking attachment for excavators. This specialized attachment transforms standard excavators into versatile timber harvesting systems. Key features: alloy cutting blade, 600 mm diameter, 4 fast, precise tree felling. Hydraulic debarking shaft saves 70% processing time. Durable steel frame performs reliably on rugged terrain. Applications: selective logging with forest regeneration protection. 50 to 80 tree/day productivity. Ideal for planted forests. 200 to 500 mm diameter trees. The optimal solution for small to medium scale timber operations in mountainous areas. Dual shaft wood shredder, efficient wood waste processing technology. One operating principle: counter-rotating shafts, 15 to 30 RPM, 300 to 500 tons crushing force. Adjustable gap between shafts, 50 to 300 millimeters. 2 technical specifications: heavy checkmark capacity, 5 to 50 tons/hour. Heavy checkmark max input size, less than or equal to 1.2 M. Heavy checkmark motor power, 75 to 400 kilowatts, model dependent. Heavy checkmark material, special wear resistant steel. 3 primary applications: construction wood waste recycling, pallet and furniture disposal, biomass fuel pre-processing. 4 key advantages: 80% volume reduction, stable operation with minimal vibration, easy maintenance with auto lubrication. Note: requires CAE compliant safety guards installation. 5 enhanced features: hydraulic overload protection, reversible cutting blades, smart control system with jam detection. Heavy dust industrial wood grinder. One comprehensive overview. The heavy-duty wood grinder is an indispensable piece of equipment in modern wood processing plants. Capable of handling large volumes of diverse wood materials, from logs and mixed wood to pallets and wood waste, it delivers exceptional economic efficiency for pellet, board, and construction material production. 2 detailed operating principle. The system employs a multi-stage grinding mechanism. Stage 1, hydraulic hammer mill for coarse grinding. Stage 2, high-speed precision cutting blades. Stage 3, vibrating screening system for classification. 3 advanced technical specifications. Drive system, industrial-grade gearbox with 1:35 ratio. Electrical system. 3-phase 380V/50 Hz or 440V/60 Hz options. Frame structure. 20 to 30 mm thick SS400 steel, withstands up to 15 tons. Protection system. Integrated PLC with thermal, vibration, and overload sensors. For expanded applications. Beyond sawdust production, the machine is used for urban wood waste management, livestock bedding production, paper industry raw material processing, furniture recycling. 5 economic efficiency analysis. Labor savings. Replaces 15 to 20 workers. Stable performance. 24/7 operation with greater than 20,000 hour lifespan. Breakdown rate. 0.5% annually with smart maintenance. ROI. Capital recovery in 8 to 12 months. 6 breakthrough technologies. AI system. Automatic speed adjustment based unload. 3D sensors. Detects foreign materials, metal, stones. Smart control panel. Real-time multi-parameter display. IoT connectivity. Remote monitoring via mobile devices. 7 maintenance and operation. Service interval. Every 500 operating hours. Blade replacement time. 15 minutes. Quick change design. Automatic self-cleaning after each shift. Standardized replacement modules. 8 comparison with traditional technology. Criteria conventional grinder heavy-duty grinder. Power consumption 2.5 kWh/ton 1.2 kWh/ton. Noise level 110 dB 85 dB. Blade life 200 hours 800 hours. Consistency plus or minus 15% plus or minus 5%. 9 model selection guide. 300 HP series. Suitable for 5 to 10 tons/day facilities. 500 HP series. For 20 to 30 tons/day workshops. 800 HP series. Industrial scale 50 plus ton systems. 10 development trends. Integration with automated feeding robots. Ultra-durable composite materials. Energy-saving cold grinding technology. Advanced nano dust treatment systems. Modern heavy-duty wood grinders represent not just production equipment but comprehensive solutions for wood waste management, delivering high economic value while supporting sustainable environmental protection. Businesses should consider investing in these systems to enhance competitiveness in an increasingly quality and environmentally conscious market. The technology continues to evolve with smarter automation, improved materials, and greater energy efficiency, making it a future-proof investment for wood processing operations of all scales. Heavy-duty hopper-fed wood grinder for industrial-scale sawdust production. Core features: white heavy checkmark high-capacity hopper design. Volume: 5 to 15 cubic meters capacity. Customizable. Feeding mechanism: hydraulic pusher plate plus conveyor belt system. Safety: infrared anti-jam sensors plus emergency stop. White heavy checkmark powerful grinding system. Engine: 200-1000 HP diesel/electric options. Blades: tungsten carbide replaceable teeth. 600-1200 RPM. Output size: adjustable 1 to 30 mm sawdust. White heavy checkmark smart control panel. Touchscreen HMI with production analytics. Remote monitoring via IoT. Automatic lubrication alerts. Technical specs. Parameter specification. Capacity 10 to 80 tons/hour. Max log diameter less than or equal to 1.8 mm. Power requirement 150 to 800 kilowatts. Noise level less than or equal to 85 dB with silencer. Advantages: fire efficiency. Processes whole trees without pre-cutting. Fire durability: 50 mm thick steel housing. Fire eco-friendly. Optional dust collection system. 99% efficiency. Best for large sawmills, biomass power plants, wood recycling centers. Note: requires 3-phase power and concrete foundation. Multifunctional wood stump breaker attachment for bulldozers and excavators. High-efficiency industrial wood demolition technology. For technical specifications. White heavy checkmark compatibility. Fits bulldozers 30 to 50 ton and excavators 20 to 40 ton. Standard ISO hydraulic connections. White heavy checkmark dual action demolition system. Auger drill bit 0200400 tungsten carbide tip. Hydraulic shear blades, adjustable 0 to 90 degrees cutting angle. Impact force 8 to 12 tons, post machine dependent. White heavy checkmark performance data. Rotation speed 50 to 150 RPM. Hydraulic pressure 250 to 350 bar. Bit lifespan 500 to 800 operating hours. Industry applications. Hammer timber harvesting. Splits hardwood stumps less than or equal to 1.5 m diameter. Pulverizes underground root systems. Hammer recycling facilities. Processes construction timber waste. Dismantles industrial pallets. Hammer construction sites. Clears land with multiple tree stumps. Prepares reforestation terrain. Technology advantages. High voltage time savings 70% faster than manual methods. High voltage safety features, anti-kickback system plus auto shutdown. High voltage versatility, instant switch between drilling/chopping modes. High voltage durability, double sealed hydraulic cylinders. Performance comparison. Method daily output operational cost. Manual sawing 1 to 2 stumps high. Labor. Dedicated machines 15 to 20 stumps very high. This attachment 30 to 50 stumps 40% savings. Based on 0.8-1.2 m stumps. Selection guide. For bulldozers. Choose models with greater than 10 ton impact force. Select 0300400 mm drill bits. For excavators. Optimal for machines with greater than 8 ton grip force. Recommended 0200300 mm bits. Includes real-world installation demo video. Safety protocols. Warning: always check hydraulic pressure pre-operation. Warning: mandatory operator protective frame. Warning: 250-hour maintenance intervals. Backhand index pointing right contact for customized system matching your existing equipment. Bonus feature: smart pressure monitoring system. Quick change bit mechanism. Vibration dampening handles.